We now have these tiny home trailers available for sale. They're a great solution, especially for those of you who are unfortunately affected by the LA wildfires. This is what you can live in temporarily while you rebuild your home. So this unit we're in right now is available and it's for sale. It's 8.5 feet wide and 30 feet long. There's a nice little bedroom in the back. You have your restroom area here in the middle with a shower, toilet, and its own sink. Right here is obviously your kitchen area. You have your kitchen sink. You have a nice countertop with nice cabinets for storage. Over here, you have your hot water and cold water connection. And to plug this thing into power, all you need is the appropriate adapter, and you can plug it into any 110 volt power source. So this is a great option for those of you that need something temporary to live in while you rebuild. Let us know. If you need something more custom made to your situation or your likings, we can do custom made trailer homes. Right now, I would estimate the lead time as of right now at about 2 to 3 weeks. So we can crank these things out for you guys. Here's the front door right here. And yeah, if you guys need anything like this, like I said, especially for those who are affected by the LA wildfires, we'd love to help you out, get you something temporary to live in while you rebuild. My name is Aaron. I'll put all of our contact information in the video description so you can contact me for a quote. Thank you.